guys! In this video we will be repainting this toy set and bringing it into life with some acrylic paint. This is a baby boy set from Steffi and it's elephant themed. It contains elephant plushie, a teether, pacifier, a rattle, plate, cutlery, and a sippy cup. Using tweezers to help me hold the miniatures, I'm starting out by repainting the toys. Before painting bigger areas, I lightly sanded them to roughen up the surface for the paint to stick to it better. The main colors of this repaint are various shades of gray and blue. For every elephant element, I added small black eyes with a dotting tool. For the teether and rattle, I was thinking about adding complementary colors, and I went with green and yellow for details, such as beads and dots on the teether. Since I'm using acrylic paint, to remove unwanted streaks, I'm using a nail polish remover on some Q-tip. After the toys, I'm moving on to plate and sippy cup. Notice how the plate is shaped as an elephant and there's a small baby elephant too. I find it so cute. The nozzle is shaped as an elephant face with a trunk for sipping. After the paint is dry, I sealed it with spray glaze, and look how amazing these look now in my nursery. Thanks for watching.